See, that easy. But it's up on there to break off. Any kind of degreaser for real, will get all that stuff off there. The auto store, any kind of brake cleaner. And split a spray bottle. Really, you do that. Really can't do it one-handed. You have to hold it still. But it's really that easy. Right there. Do a little rubby rub. Put elbow grease on there. You can get it off. Anybody can do it. Right there in that spot. Let's see if I can get my legs to hold the phone. See like that. Pretty much how you do it. So I got this first side pretty much done. Now I'm working on the back side. These posts I'm considering the back. Okay, so I do those, but it's coming out good. It's clean now.